guys, it's me, Madison.
And Alexa.
And welcome back to our YouTube channel.
So today I ordered from Shein Fidget Toys. So today we're gonna open them. Here's the package. Okay.
Let's see what I'll pick out what we got this pineapple squishy. So it's like this pineapple squishy and it's like pastel kind of colors.
Whoa. So I rate this a 10 out of 10.
I rate it a 9.5.
Okay, so the next thing that we got is, oh my god. Look at this.
What is it?
It's like you pop it. It's kind of like a simple. Look at this, guys. So it's like a simple dimple, but it has like more side. This side it's hard to push the buttons, but on this side it's not. Look at this.
So I rate it an 8 and 8.
I rate it an 8.5. Okay, now you're gonna pick something else. Oh my god, I'm too nervous. I can feel your hand. Oh my god.
So this one is an infinity cube, I think. And like you can move it to different, to different pieces. You want to have it?
Yeah. Oh my god. It's like a puzzle, but it never ends.
Yeah.
Okay, I rate this like a 9.5.
I rate it 10 out of 10.
Ooh, I got this flower poppet, guys. So I'm gonna open this flower poppet. Whoa. Look at this.
It's very nice. It's not too hard. And it's like a flower and it's purple, like a light purple. And let's see. I rate it a 9.5.
I rate it a 9.5 too.
So this is what it looks like.
Okay, Maddie, go ahead and pick something else.
This one. Ooh, what is this?
Open it. I don't know what this is either. I think I accidentally added it to my cart.
Oh.
Can I play that? Oh, I guess you can pop it out. Oh. Oh, so like you can like fidget with this, like a fidget spinner.
And like you can click it.
Yeah, you can take it off. How do you click it? Oh yeah.
I don't really like this one. But I'll rate it like a 8. Like a 8. Yeah.
I'll rate it like a 8.5. Oh my god. I can't put it back. I'm gonna play this one. Oh my god.
Whoa.
This one's cute because of like the colors. I can't open it. No.
Whoa. So this is like a popsicle, but it's like pop it popsicle.
It's really easy to pop it.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a really nice pop it, and it also has the alphabet on it.
Okay. So
Now it's my turn.
Maddie.
Let's pick this one. Oh, this is in
Fidget
pad.
So, oh. Oh.
Oh, it's
I know what these are.
You go like this, and then you can.
Oh, look at there's something else on the back. Oh wow.
And there's also this keychain. You can hang it on your backpack, or you can take it somewhere. It's like this, and then like you can put this one down, and you can roll this one. You can also roll this one, but it's very bumpy. And this one you can click. This one you can spin. And these you can click.
Okay, guys, this is the last one. Oh my god, look at this. It's like a cute little strawberry one. Oh my god.
It's another poppet. And this time it's light blue. And this one does not have the alphabet.
It's like really cute. So these fidgets were really cheap. And we got them from Shein.
And they're actually really good quality to be super cheap.
This one's really good. It's like really squishy.
So my favorite one is this one because like you can like, it's very small and you can just like take it wherever you want, like on an airport or on a ride, because I get really car sick and this would really help me.
My favorite one is this pineapple, like squishy. It's like really squishy and it's really fun to squeeze.
Yeah.
Also really cute colors.
That's it for today's video, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe to see more fun videos like this.
Bye!
Bye!